Clean, clear water is incredibly important to the Napier community. The A3 bore where we are now is part of a program of works that we're undertaking to ensure that's delivered. Napier City Council are working with Honour Drilling to construct and test this new bore at Awatoto.
Since the end of October, we've been installing the new A3 water bore. We're now down at 120 metres. We've set the screens down at depth, and we're now developing that up to get the good clean water from that aquifer back up to the surface. At the bottom of the bore, we have a screen set of 11.5 metres long, which is what we use to allow the water to come through, but to trap the stones and the silts and the sand so that we don't find that coming up through the bore. When we're drilling and installing the casing for the bore, we go through a lot of different, what's called lithology, different layers of sand and clay and stone and gravel. And ultimately what we're looking for is that nice strong gravel layer down at 120 metres, which is where this aquifer has been identified. So when we get down to the 120 metres and we've set the screens, we're exposing ourselves to the artesian flow that is down there. That is high pressure water that is trying to find its way to the sea that we are getting up through the bore here at Awatoto. That pressure is sufficient for it to come up in what we call free flow. So without the aid of pumps, we're getting a flow of water that is coming up through the bore.
Capital works, operational works and maintenance works are all really important and come together to deliver clean, clear water.
So for the next steps, we have two major flow tests to run. One is a step test to understand what the bore can actually handle, and then we have a 7-day flow test. During that period, we'll be monitoring the bores around the local area to make sure that we're not affecting them in any adverse way, and then we'll be in a position to hand this over to Napier City Council.
Once the team have finished here, a containerised treatment plant will be brought in, and then the team will move to Taradale to drill the T8 bore.